Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's class we are learning 7th class NCERT chapter number 1, nutrition and plants. So let's start. So in class 6th you have learned that the food is essential for all the living beings. You also learned the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of food. These type of components of food are called nutrients. This is the definition of nutrients. I'll share the main points or extra definitions, and all these of definitions I'll share up. So we are doing this one part. Okay, let it be. Nutrients and are necessary for our body. Okay, all living organisms require food. Plants can synthesize for themselves, but animals including humans cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on the plants. Okay, so let's move to next. So in this paragraph, we have learned that the nutrients, how we get from where and when. Okay, so in this one part, see the nutrients we get from, like this: carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals are the components of the food. These components of food are called nutrients. This is the definition of nutrients. Okay, so in this one there is, all the living beings, organisms require food. सारे लिविंग बींग्स को, सारे इंसानों को फूड की सख्त ज़रूरत होती है. इधर ऐसे बता है, हाँ, themselves but not including human cannot. मतलब जो फूड एनिमल खा सकता है वो ह्यूमन खा नहीं सकते. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? दे गेट इट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. जो एनिमल फूड खाते हैं वो प्लांट फूड रहता है. ओके, तो वही बताया इधर कि ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल आर डायरेक्टली डिपेंडेड ऑन प्लांट्स. मतलब ह्यूमन दोनों पर डिपेंडेड रहता है वैसे बोलो तो, प्लांट्स पर भी और एनिमल्स पर भी. बट एनिमल किस पर डिपेंडेड रहता है? एनिमल डिपेंडेड रहता है प्लांट्स पर. ओके, एंड प्लांट्स आर डिपेंडेड ऑन टाइप ऑफ sunlight or water. Water is the main source of plants. Okay, so what is this? Bhoju want to know how plants prepare their food on. भोजू एक लड़का था, उसे पता नहीं था कि वो कैसे प्लांट्स कैसे प्रिपेयर फूड करते हैं. ओके, सो वी लर्न in this part. Plants are the only organisms that can prepare their food themselves. इधर बताया प्लांट एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो खुद से अपने फूड को खुद अपना फूड बना सकता है. ओके, themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. The raw material are present in their surrounding. The nutrition enable living to the organism to build their bodies, to grow, to repair or damage part of these bodies, and provide the energy to carry out life processes. अभी ये जो है वो न्यूट्रिशियन का डेफिनेशन है, तो प्लीज नोट डाउन इट ऑन योर बुक. सॉरी, या this one is the nutrition definition. Okay, you can see properly. So in this part, the nutrition are enable to organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair the damaged part of their body, and provide the energy out to carry out of life process. मतलब ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या करते हैं? हम लोग के बॉडी को रिपेयर करते हैं एंड ऑल. बट न्यूट्रिशन क्या करते हैं? देखो, to build the bodies, to grow, to repair damaged part of this body and to provide energy. वो हम लोग को energy भी साथ में provide करते हैं. This is the definition of nutrition. Please note down it from to build to nutrition. Okay. Is the mode of the taking of food by an organism and its, just a second, and it's this one part is going on, just you can see, just wait for a second. Yeah, this part you can see. Yeah, this part. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, the mode of the taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. The mode of the nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from the simple substance is called autotrophic. Autotrophic मतलब क्या? Autotrophic मतलब एक मोड है जो मतलब खुद. Auto means what? See, in this auto means self, trops means nourishment. Okay, trops. So the mode of nutrition in which organisms make the food themselves from the simple substance is called an autotrophic. Okay. मतलब अभी plants जो है वो autotrophic है, auto है. मतलब auto means what? Auto means self. Okay. Please mark the definition autotrophic. The definition of autotrophic is the mode of the nutrition in which they make their food themselves from the simple substance is called an autotrophic. Auto means self, tropes means nourishment. Nourish करता है वो. And yeah, nourishment, nutrition. Therefore plants are called autotrophs. इसीलिए प्लांट्स को बोलते हैं ऑटोट्रॉप्स क्योंकि वो खुद से खुद खाना बनाते हैं. Animal and the most organisms take in food to prepare by the plants they called heterotrophs. हाँ, heterotrophs. ये देखो, जो एनिमल्स है उन्हें हेटरोट्रॉप्स क्यों कहा जाता है? हेटरोट्रॉप्स कहा जाता है क्योंकि हेट्रोस मीन्स व्हाट? अदर. जो दूसरे पर डिपेंड रहते हैं, खुद से खाना नहीं बनाते. तो एनिमल्स खुद से खाना बनाते हैं क्या किचन में जाके? नहीं. एनिमल्स दूसरों पर डिपेंड रहता है. ओके. हेट्रोस मीन्स अदर एंड ट्रोप्स मीन्स नरिशमेंट. ओके. सो व्हाट पहेली इज सेइंग? लेट्स रीड. पहेली वांट्स टू नो why our body cannot make their food from carbon dioxide, water and minerals like plants do. मतलब हमारी खुद की बॉडी खुद से खाना क्यों नहीं बना सकती? मतलब हम लोग बनाते हैं बट बॉडी थोड़ी ना बनाती है. हम लोग हमारे हाथ से बनाते हैं ना. तो बॉडी मतलब बॉडी क्यों नहीं बनाती? बॉडी प्लांट्स के जैसा क्यों नहीं करती? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड मिनरल्स से खाना क्यों नहीं बनाती? तो देखते हैं. Now we may ask where the food factories of plants are located. हम लोग ये पूछ सकते हैं जिधर प्लांट्स की फैक्ट्री रहती है और जहाँ फूड की फैक्ट्री, प्लांट फूड्स की फैक्ट्री रहती है. ओके. या वेदर फूड इज मेड इन ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. फूड जो है वो सारे प्लांट में थोड़ा ना कहीं मिल जाता है. सो चलो. How do plants obtain the raw food material from the surroundings? How do they transport them to the food of the factories? ये हम लोगों को ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे करता है? फूड हम लोगों को मिलता कैसे है? फैक्ट्रीज से ना. फैक्ट्री जो वो तोड़ती है एक एक प्लांट, एक से थोड़ा, मतलब प्लांट से जो कोई फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल्स या फिर कुछ भी खाने का चीज़ें. कॉटन अभी खा तो नहीं सकते बट वो कॉटन भी कॉटन प्लांट से ही मिलता है ना. थोड़ी ना कपड़े से ले लो, वैसा नहीं है. ओके. कॉटन इज द सोर्स ऑफ प्लांट ओनली. ओके. सो this is done. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, food making the process in animals. Okay, this one is going on now. Let's read out. लीव्स आर द फूड फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ प्लांट्स. लीव्स क्या है? लीव्स फूड फैक्ट्री है प्लांट्स के. प्लांट एक फैक्ट्री नहीं है. प्लांट नॉर्मल प्लांट है, बट फैक्ट्री कैसे हो जाती है वो? लीव्स से, with the help of leaves. Therefore all the raw materials must reach the leaf. Water and minerals present in the source are observed by the roots and transport to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air taken in the source. Okay. सो ये पेज ऐसा है, देख सकते हैं आप, पेज नंबर 2. सो दिस पार्ट we'll read in the end of the class. Till that, let's read this one. Yeah, this one is going 1 hour. Perfect. Through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves, these pores are surrounded by the guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Stomata क्या होता है? Stomata is the pores that are surrounded to the guard. Such pores are called stomata. This is the stomata definition. Please note down it. These pores are surrounding by the guard of the such pores are called stomata. Okay. सो इधर फिर से अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा है भोजू ने. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, भोजू वॉन्ट्स टू नो हाउ वाटर एंड मिनरल्स ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द रूट्स रीच द लीव्स. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves through vessels which run. You can see, friends, through which run in the pipes through the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. They form a continuous path of the passage for the nutrition to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. You will learn more about transport minerals in the chapter number 11. अभी उसे बहुत टाइम है 11 चैप्टर तक पूछने के लिए. तो अभी इधर फिर से पहेली ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, तो वो देखता है वो क्वेश्चन पहेली ने क्या पूछा. तो जो क्वेश्चन पहेली ने पूछा वो है, पहेली wants to know what is so special about the leaves. Can the synthesis of the food of other in plants. कौन सा सिंथेसिस है जो हम लोगों को जो फूड, एक मिनट फिर रीड करते हैं. हाँ या सो दिस फूड बट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स. या वी रीड इन दिस पैसेज. So this is the passage. What we are learning is this is the passage of when we are learning that part. This one, this you can see. The leaves have a green pigment are called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll का definition लिख लो. The leaves have a green pigment are called chlorophyll. Okay. It helps to leaves to capture the energy and sunlight. जो chlorophyll है वो help करता है कि वो capture कर ले energy और sunlight. Okay. This energy is used to synthesize to prepare food from the carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in presence of the sunlight. मतलब ये देखो, ये photosynthesis है, प्लीज़ नोट डाउन कर लो. It is very important one. Let's read out. Synthesis of food occur in presence of the sunlight. It is called photosynthesis. Okay. Photolight plus synthesis. फोटो की लाइट आती है, उसे ही सिंथेसिस कहते हैं. So let's begin. So we find the chlorophyll in the sunlight. Carbon dioxide and water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. It It is a unique process of on the earth. ये एक यूनिक प्रोसेस है. यूनिक प्रोसेस है. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस का जो प्रोसेस है उसे यूनिक प्रोसेस कहते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड आउट. Where were we? Unique. Yeah. It is a unique process on the earth. The solar energy is captured by the leaves stored in plant from food. एक सोलर एनर्जी है जो लीव्स कैप्चर करते हैं. जैसे सनलाइट, मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या कैप्चर करता है? सनलाइट, और सनलाइट कैप्चर करता है. तो वैसे ही लीव कैप्चर करता है सोलर एनर्जी. व्हाट? सोलर एनर्जी. इट कैप्चर्स सोलर एनर्जी. हाँ. कैन यू से एंड इमेजिन द अर्थ इन absence of the photosynthesis? In the absence of the photosynthesis, there would not be any food. The survival of almost all living beings are these. Sorry French. Yeah, we were on this. Let's read this one more time. Can you imagine in your life on the earth absence of the photosynthesis? In the absence of the photosynthesis, there would be not any food. The survival of almost all living organisms directly or indirectly depended upon the food made by plants. Besides oxygen, which is essential. So let's move to the next page. So the next page is this one. This is the next page. You can see. So let's read the upper part. So this is the upper part. Let's read. Besides leaves. What is beside leaf? Beside leaves of the photosynthesis also takes place in other green parts of the plant. In the green stem of the green branches, the desert plant have scale or spine-like leaves to reduce loss of water, transpiration. These plants have green stems which carry out the photosynthesis. Let's read this one paragraph. Of all the organisms, it produces photosynthesis. In the absence of the photosynthesis would be impossible on earth. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of leaves in figure 1.2. 1.2 figure किधर है? 1.2. This is the figure 1.2. You will see. This is the figure 1.2. Yeah. Where were we? Yeah. Use carbon dioxide water to synthesis of the carbon dioxide. The process can be an equation. जो प्रोसेस है वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस में आ सकता है. ओके. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर इज सनलाइट. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस oxygen is called chlorophyll. Here you can see this part. Yeah. So let's read further. So next is this one. Let's go on for this part. During the process of the oxygen is released, the presence of the in starch leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. Starch is also a carbon dioxide. स्टार्च भी है फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में. वैसे इधर बताया. तो फिर से भोजू एक क्वेश्चन करता है पहेली को. क्या क्वेश्चन करता है चलो देखते हैं. तो ये है भोजू का क्वेश्चन. ओके. भोजू हैज़ ऑब्जर्व्ड सम ऑफ द प्लांट्स with deep red, violet or brown leaves. He wants to know whether these leaves also can carry photosynthesis or not. जो ये जो आप लड़का देख रहे हो उसका नाम है भोजू और वो पहेली को एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, तो वो क्वेश्चन हम लोग एक बार अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं. भोजू हैज ऑब्जर्व्ड some of the plants with a deep red color, violet or brown leaves. He wants to know whether the leaves can also carry the photosynthesis. क्या leaves carry कर सकते हैं photosynthesis को? वो तो इधर पेज नंबर 3 के एंडिंग में ये देखिए दिया गया, तो चलो पढ़ते हैं. Take 2 potted plant of some kind. First point, second point. Keep one in dark or in a black box for 72 and the other in sunlight. तो दूसरा एक बॉक्स, एक कुछ है, एक पॉट है वो डार्क जगह पर रखो और दूसरा पॉट है जो ब्लैक बॉक्स में रखो. ओके, so let's learn out next page. So this is the next page. Let's read this one first. What is? Yeah, this is the part. This is very important, you will see. So we'll read this part first. Okay, so this is the part. So yeah, we'll read first one this, then other. Okay. Perform iodine test with the leaves of both animals. Perform iodine test with the leaves of both plants as you did in class 6th. हम लोगों ने ये 6th में भी किया था. ओके, रिकॉर्ड योर रिजल्ट्स. जो रिकॉर्ड है रिजल्ट्स का वो देखिए अच्छे से. नाउ लीव द पॉट which was earlier kept in dark in the sunlight for 3-4 days and perform the iodine test again on the leaves. Observation in your notebook. The leaves of other than green also have chlorophyll, that the large amount of red, brown or any pigment mask the green color. Photosynthesis take place in the every leaf. Okay, मतलब अगर ये सारे लीव्स है वो ग्रीन ही नहीं है, मतलब सारे कलर्स के. तो जैसे कि आप हम लोग ये लीव देख सकते हैं, इस लीव्स में तो ये तो थोड़ा येलोइश है ना, ये वाला तो येलो है, तो अभी इसे क्या करें, इसमें क्लोरोफिल नहीं लगेगा. सब में क्लोरोफिल है मतलब है. ओके, let's read this part. Carbon dioxide are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जो है वो कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन से बनता है. ओके, these are used in the synthesis of components of food such as protein and fats, but protein are nitrogen substance which contain nitrogen. From where do they plants obtain nitrogen? Recall the nitrogen in present in abundance and in the gases, the air. However, the plants cannot absorb nitrogen. Okay, let's go further. Yeah, we were in this part. Let's abundance in the gases of the air. However, plants cannot absorb nitrogen from the soil. Soil has certain bacteria that convert gaseous nitrogen into usable from the release it into the soil. These are absorbed by the plants along with the water. Also, you might have seen farmers adding fertiles rich in nitrogen to the soil. In this way, plants fulfill their requirements of the nitrogen along with the other constituents. Plants can they synthesize proteins and vitamins. Plants can then synthesize proteins and vitamins. वो दे सकते हैं. Other modes of nutrition. Let's see the other mode of nutrition. This is the other mode of nutrition. So let's read it. Yeah, wait. Book is cross a little bit. Yeah. So let's read it. Here. They are some of the plants in which do not have chlorophyll. They cannot synthesize food. How do they survive and from where do they derive nutrition? Like humans and animals, such as plants are dependent on the food produced by the other plants. They use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode मतलब क्या? दूसरों पर dependent. Other. Hetero means दूसरों पर dependent. Heterotrophic. Look in figure 1.5. Figure 1.5 किधर है? This is 1.6. Yeah, I can see this 1.5 figure. You can see this. This is Cuscuta Amarbel on the host. ये प्लांट है वो जो दूसरे पर डिपेंड. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट हैं जो animal, they are dependent on the other plants. Yeah. Do you can see yellow wiry branches struck twining around the stem of the branches of a tree? This is plant called Cuscuta Amarbel. It does not have chlorophyll. It takes ready-made food from the plant on which climbing they on which climbs is called host. Host का definition note down कीजिए. The plants on which it climbs, it is called host. See, this is the definition I have marked. Since the deprives the host of valuable nutrition. Yeah. So this is Cuscuta and Amarbel on the host. Cuscuta is called parasite. Parasite का definition लिख लीजिए. Cuscuta को parasite ऐसे बोला जाता है. Are bee and other animals also kind of parasites? You should think about it and discuss to the teacher. Yeah, so let's read about this. Hair which are directly downwards when interact lands and picture and lid the close trapped inside and engulfed to the hair and the leads. So let it be. The chapter is too big, so we'll read next. Means in short we'll read. So this is also a main point. Say such insects eating the plants are called insectivorous plants. Insectivorous ये भी एक मेन पॉइंट है, नोट कर लीजिए. और ये भी मेन पॉइंट है और उसे भी नोट कर लेना फ्रेंड्स प्लीज. तो इधर सेम थिंग फिर से रिपीट की जा रही है क्योंकि हम लोग के वो दिमाग में बैठ पाए अच्छे से. So let's read the main point. So see, the page number 6 and 7 are left. So when we will do this one, so that's why until now only. The organisms are called fungi. So जो organisms है वो fungi से कहा जाता है, क्योंकि आपको पता है, ये देखो, ये ब्रेड दिख सकता है आपको, 3-4 दिन के बाद जो ब्रेड है वो फंगी आने लगती है, समथिंग वाइट एंड समथिंग ब्राउनिश आने लगता है, यू नो. तो ऐसा कुछ होने लग जाता है. ओके, तो ये देखो नीचे का देखते हैं अभी हम लोग. ओके, so this is the also saprotropic nutrition का point है, main point. The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrition from the dead or decaying matter is called saprotropic nutrition. Just this is this. Okay, and in this page this much is also. So let's read out next page. In this page also the two main points are there. Please note down it. The two main points are this one. Yeah. You can see. From this to this. Okay, some organisms live together and share the both shelter and nutrition. The relationship called nutrition. Relationship means attachment. जो attachment है उसे symbiosis कहा जाता है. Symbiosis. Okay, and one more, there is this one is also the main point. Just mark it. In organisms called legions, chlorophyll is containing partner. हाँ, ये वाला भी एक पॉइंट है, वो भी जल्दी से नोट कर लीजिए. और फिर आगे क्या है, आगे हम लोग इधर देख लेते हैं. आगे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाला है, तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स जो है हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पक्का कर लेंगे. तो ये जो है हम लोग, ये देखिए, ये वाले जो कीवर्ड्स है प्लीज़ वो 5 टाइम्स लिख लेना. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. Okay, so bye friends, thank you.